Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, boss Sanus came in the building. Like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another
brand new banger?
banger? Yeah, but before we get tonight peeps, as always, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really help out your Jamaica YouTuber for sure. But anyway, no more itching, right into it. Alright peeps, we're gonna be reacting to some video was surfaced on the net early on after Andrew Holness made the lockdown statement for St. Catherine, aka Portmore side of people. Then, alright?
Watch your traffic. Oh my god, like everybody a come out of Portmore. Watch out. One line of traffic, like everybody a move out of Portmore to one side. Watch out. Oh, as far as me I can get. Portmore stop keep. Everybody leaving Portmore. This traffic extends from Mandela, come straight in.
Everybody are race brother.
Jano, watch ya. Look for the traffic, everybody a move out. Watch ya. Look for the hours and look for the traffic. Jano, the people must ship out. Watch ya. All our family member town and them place. Watch ya. The people that move out of Portmore. No.
The traffic are there for Portmore too. Leave them and leave Portmore. And them here St. Catherine lockdown, so they were left. Alright, watch out now. They're on the toll. I leave them people here, I leave Portmore, you know, in a Kingston, them are going to watch them. Watch them. West about traffic I go down, I go in a Kingston.
Alright peeps, here are my thoughts about the whole matter. So, if you guys living under a rock, pretty much Andrew Holness, the Honorable Andrew Holness, or Jamaican Prime Minister, pretty much just put a lockdown on St. Catherine area. That's from Portmore area going back some you know, for 7 days pretty much, long story cut short. And if you are not an essential worker, you're not supposed to leave. So pretty much because of that now, everybody from Portmore who have family, boyfriend, girlfriend, or somewhere for catch and move in, pretty much in a Kingston right now. And the main reason, if you guys don't know why Portmore have been a lockdown, because there is a big case. There's a lot of case of the whole big C over there that's happening, starting, well, so them say started at a call center. So pretty much 20 if not more people just by the call center area alone. They pretty much una they on quarantine, they on ventilator, and so una have to see me kinda out of it a little bit because of everything that happened. So my question is, my thing is gonna unruly. Just because you know I'm go on the lockdown. When I left from Portmore, come over here, so I know say couple people well goodly even have the big C over there come over here, so. But you don't know, Kingston so they on lockdowns too. I can definitely tell you that. I know why all of this happened from day one, because of the disobedient. Nobody never there take the lockdown thing serious and the curfew thing serious. Nobody. Everybody are kiki and run up and down and do them thing. One thing I can say, may God have mercy upon us, because this thing is going to get worse. But anyway, leave your comments down below, guys, and let me know what are your thoughts about it. Me, I'm very angry, because Jamaican people too disobedient, and that's why we are going to suffer. How much more people are going to suffer and dead because of selfish people. Yeah, sacrifice we. And you know, all you have to do is just follow certain rules and hear what the man has said to preserve. And my last question is, what kind of future you want to set for your children? What it is you are going to leave for them? But anyway, I'm there. Go and journey with your boy. Ah, shoot!
Yeah. Release him, though.